I'm sure you've heard the news. Xiaomi has done the unthinkable. They've overtaken Apple in global smartphone sales. According to Counterpoint Research, Xiaomi has overtaken Apple to secure the second spot in global smartphone sales for August 2024. While Apple's shipments slowed down ahead of the iPhone 16 launch, Xiaomi's sales kept cruising. So, what's driving this surge? Xiaomi's strategy of delivering feature-packed, affordable smartphones has struck gold in emerging markets like India, Southeast Asia, and Latin America. The Redmi 13 and Note 13 series are flying off the shelves. Xiaomi's year-over-year sales jumped by a whopping 22%. It's clear their focus on cost-effective yet powerful devices is paying off big time. Consumers are loving the value, and Xiaomi is reaping the rewards. With Samsung still leading the pack, Xiaomi's climb to the second spot shows their relentless ambition. Will they keep up the momentum? Only time will tell, but for now, hats off to Xiaomi for shaking up the status quo. Stay tuned for more tech updates and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you next time.